SCADA communication protocols serve as the essential link between field devices, such as sensors and controllers, and central SCADA servers. These protocols define how data is exchanged, ensuring reliable monitoring and control of industrial processes. Over time, the industry has moved from proprietary serial networks, which were often closed and vendor-specific, to open, Ethernet-based systems. This evolution has enabled greater interoperability, scalability, and integration with modern IT infrastructure. As a result, SCADA systems today are more flexible and capable of supporting complex, distributed operations. Legacy and serial-based SCADA protocols, including Modbus, DNP3, and IEC 60870-5, have played foundational roles in industrial automation and control systems. Modbus, known for its simplicity and ease of implementation, is widely used in manufacturing and process industries, though it lacks robust security features. DNP3 offers enhanced reliability and is commonly found in electric utility applications, providing better support for complex data and event-driven communication. IEC 60870-5 is prevalent in European power systems, facilitating interoperability between devices from different manufacturers. While these protocols have enabled significant advancements, their limited security and scalability present challenges in modern interconnected environments. Modern industrial automation relies heavily on Ethernet and IP-based protocols to ensure seamless communication between devices. Protocols such as OPC UA, Modbus TCP, Ethernet/IP, and Profinet each offer unique advantages in terms of interoperability and security. OPC UA is known for its robust security features and platform independence, making it suitable for diverse industrial environments. Modbus TCP provides simplicity and widespread compatibility, while Ethernet/IP and Profinet are valued for their high-speed performance and integration capabilities. Together, these protocols form the backbone of contemporary automation systems, enabling efficient and secure data exchange across complex networks. Certain communication protocols are designed to meet the unique needs of specific industries. For example, IEC 61850 is widely used in electrical substations, offering advanced features for real-time data exchange and interoperability between devices from different manufacturers. In the realm of building automation, BACnet stands out for its ability to seamlessly integrate diverse systems such as lighting, HVAC, and security controls. These specialized protocols incorporate industry-specific requirements, ensuring reliable operation and efficient integration within complex environments. Their tailored approaches help streamline processes and enhance overall system performance. Modern industrial systems increasingly rely on IT-derived and web protocols to enable seamless communication and integration. Protocols like MQTT and HTTP/HTTPS provide reliable and secure channels for data exchange between devices and cloud platforms. RESTful APIs facilitate standardized interactions, making it easier to connect disparate systems and services. WebSockets offer real-time, bidirectional communication, which is essential for responsive industrial applications. Together, these technologies play a crucial role in IIoT, cloud-based SCADA systems, and enterprise-level integration, ensuring efficient and scalable operations. Major SCADA protocols. Each offer distinct features tailored to industrial automation needs. For example, Modbus typically operates over serial lines or Ethernet, using a master-slave communication model that is simple but lacks advanced security. DNP3, often found in electrical utilities, supports both serial and TCP/IP communications and is valued for its reliability and timestamping, though it can be complex to configure. IEC 60870-5-104 and IEC 61850 are widely used in power systems, leveraging TCP/IP networks and object-oriented models for efficient data exchange and interoperability, but may require more specialized knowledge to implement. While each protocol has its strengths and limitations, their selection depends on factors like system requirements, legacy integration, and security considerations. Modern SCADA protocols face a rapidly evolving landscape shaped by several critical considerations. Security has become paramount as increased connectivity exposes systems to new vulnerabilities. The adoption of OPC UA is gaining momentum, offering enhanced interoperability and robust security features. Integration with the industrial Internet of Things and cloud platforms is enabling more flexible and scalable operations. Additionally, the emergence of time-sensitive networking is addressing the need for precise, reliable communication in complex industrial environments. Selecting the right communication protocol for SCADA systems involves careful consideration of several key factors. Industry requirements often dictate specific standards and compatibility needs, while the underlying network architecture influences protocol efficiency and scalability. Data transmission needs, such as speed and volume, also play a significant role in this decision. Security is paramount, as protocols must safeguard critical infrastructure from potential threats. In modern SCADA environments, hybrid approaches are increasingly common, combining multiple protocols to balance performance, flexibility, and robust protection.